What's cracking, YouTube? Welcome back to Myers two-stroke RC Garage, and today we got the Vesla down on the ground out here in the famous proving grounds. And what we got going on here is I put the 2749 gears in, and I wanted to test it out back, see how this gear set works, and see if it loses too much lower end or if I'm happy with it. So I'll be right back when I get you guys on my head. It already seems like it's not losing any lower end. That is so loud. Look out! Woo! I lost brakes, I think. Almost hit myself. Maybe the brakes need tightened up or something, I don't know. Look out, almost hit the trampoline. Woo! Guys, I've seen all that I need to see. I know it's a quick one, but I've seen all I need to see. So the backyard, doing the flip turns and stuff, the clutch suffers with the higher gears, and it's like right on the threshold of, you can't really bash it short for any period of time because the clutch suffers, is what I'm trying to say. The gears are just at the limit. So when we take it out to the fairgrounds, or actually we're probably not going to take it to the fairgrounds, we'll probably take it to New London. When we get out to the New London, I almost guarantee it's going to break the 60-mile-an-hour barrier because it's so fast here in this backyard, guys. Hey, if you like the video, if you like the quick rip, make sure you like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and don't forget, I will see you in the next one.